Hello everyone, today we will be making some really simple and tasty peanut butter balls. If you are a peanut butter lover like me, then you will love these. They also make a great little treat to give away during the holiday season. Here are all of the things you will need for this recipe. It's just 5 or 6 things, so it's really easy. First, we're going to take our 4 tablespoons of butter and microwave it for about 30 seconds to get it liquid. Then we're going to measure out 1 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar and place it in a large mixing bowl. To that, we will add our melted butter. Now's the really fun part. Let's grab our peanut butter and measure out 1 1/2 cups of it, and then we'll add that into our mixing bowl. And we'll mix it up until all of the sugar is all blended in nicely and you really don't see any more white sugar left. This may take a couple minutes to get fully incorporated into the peanut butter, but don't worry, the hard work is going to pay off real soon. It should basically look like peanut butter again once the butter and the sugar is fully incorporated. Next, grab a teaspoon and grab about half of a heaping teaspoon, and then we're going to start rolling these into little balls. You really don't need much here, about half a teaspoon will work. You want them to be bite-sized ideally, but of course you can make them as big or small as you want. Once you have them all rolled out, we're going to place them on a parchment paper, and then we're going to stick them in the fridge until they get nice and cold. After about 1.5 hours, we're going to melt our chocolate to dip the peanut butter balls we made. Heat up a pot of boiling water. You don't need more than 3 or 4 cups of water here. Place a bowl larger than the pot on top of it, and once it's warm, pour in your chocolate chips. Turn the heat down to medium and stir frequently to help the chocolate melt. Once it's melted, grab a toothpick and stick one of the peanut butter balls and dip it into the chocolate, making sure to coat all sides. And this is actually the really fun part. Every time I make these, this is the most fun everyone has making them. Once you pull them from the chocolate, place them back on the parchment paper, making sure to cover up the hole once you remove the toothpick with a small amount of chocolate. Once you're done with the entire set of them, place the rack back in the fridge. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy making these peanut butter balls as much as I did, and I hope your guests enjoy them as much as mine did. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.